Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming the HP printer supports AirPrint and has the latest firmware. Check the printer control panel for AirPrint or Bonjour listing. Put the iPhone or iPad on the same Wi-Fi network as the printer. Do not use cellular data. Make sure the iPhone runs iOS 10 or later and has Wi-Fi turned on. Disable VPN or guest network features that isolate devices. Restart the router, printer, and iPhone if network devices cannot see each other. Keep devices within normal Wi-Fi range for stable discovery. Open the document, photo, or web page you want to print on the iPhone. Tap the share icon, then scroll and tap print in the share sheet options. Tap select printer and wait for the HP Airprint printer name to appear. Choose the printer that matches the model shown on the printer display or control panel. Adjust options like copies, range, color, and paper size before printing. Tap Print to start the job and watch the printer status on its display or the iPhone print preview. Jobs print immediately when AirPrint and network are working. If the HP printer does not appear in the print dialog, restart devices first. Power cycle the printer, router, and iPhone, then try discovery again. Verify the printer firmware is up to date using HP support or the embedded web server. Confirm the iPhone and printer are on the same SSID and not isolated by guest network settings. Disable VPNs and firewalls that block Bonjour DNS discovery between devices. As a last step, factory reset the printer network settings and reconnect to Wi-Fi to restore AirPrint functionality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.